as companies slowly open up and resume their operations. Employees need to feel safe when they come back to work. Right now, I'm in my Singapore office. I can just share with you my personal experience on how the innovation around pandemic control systems guide us. Let me show you how our PCS solution provides safe entry for all our employees. Okay, let's start.
Notice temperature area. Please wear face mask. Please wear face mask. Please check again. Normal temperature. Access granted. Normal temperature. Access granted.
Hello, Dayton. Do you need to change any of the answers to these survey questions?
Yes.
Please state the question number that you want to alter.
2.
Do you need to change any of the answers to these survey questions?
No.
By submitting this survey, you affirm that all answers to questions herein are true and correct to the best of your knowledge and belief. Shall I submit your response?
Yes.
Thank you. Your survey result has been submitted successfully.
Please wear face mask. Normal temperature. Please register.
Now, as you can see, that safe entry is combined with mask detection, facial recognition, and thermal scanning. Entire process is done within just less than 1 second. Also, we have integrated the entire process with our sliding door. My entry to the office is without touching anything. Yeah, the essential part is touchless model in our PCS. Thanks to pandemic control systems, I'm back to my desk and continue working. Okay, I just end my session with my boss with a safe distance measurement in place. We achieved it through mobile application installed in our phone, which talks to each other through Bluetooth. Another options we have is BLE tag, as well as the ultra-wide bands. It will give a better accuracy. All the employees are given this Bluetooth tag. It will help track their movement within company facility using RTLS infrastructure. Let's assume that one of my colleagues get affected with COVID-19. PCS can actually check all the employees who get directly or indirectly contact with this affected person. Let me show you how it's achieved. This is our Singapore office partial map, and I can see the employee list who are available in office now and their exact locations. When they start to move, I can clearly see their movement, and while they're gathering together, there are alarms which is showing, and I can see who is actually gathering together. Also, from this dashboard, we can check each employee's movement details. So let's see this guy. Within this specific time period, he has been spent different amount of time in Sentosa, MRO lab, R&D lab, and admin area. Also, if assuming that he is getting affected, we can do contact tracing, seeing who has been in contact with him directly and indirectly, prioritized by risk level. Also, this function is available in our chatbot. By admins can just talking through our chatbot platform to do contact tracing, and you will showing the result with priority risk level also.